Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out the Covergirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. I have been using the Skin Milk for a while now. I really enjoyed it, so I've been curious about trying the Hydrating Concealer from the Clean Fresh line from Covergirl. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a quick little makeup look, try out the Hydrating Concealer and see how it looks on my skin, on my dark circles and more mature eyes. So if you guys would like to check that out, then just keep watching. Also, if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and hit the notification bell to let you know when I am uploading more content, that would be amazing. So if you guys would like to see the hydrating concealer in action, then just keep watching. I'm going to start with my Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. I have this in the shade medium and it is a dewy finish. This is the skin tint or foundation that I will reach for when I need a little bit more coverage. I mainly wear either nothing and then just go with bronzers and a little bit of concealer, or just really light finish skin tints. So if I feel like I want a little bit more coverage, this is the one that I'll reach for. So I'm going to pair this with the product that we're trying out today, which is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. I've been curious to try this out just because I love the Skin Milk so much, so I got the concealer in light medium and we'll try it out and see how it looks on the skin. So it's been probably a week since I made a video. It's just been really busy. I've always been seeming to have something going on, so I feel like I'm going to film and upload a few videos today because it's Saturday and I have the day to myself. So yeah, if you are watching, I'll probably upload a few little ones today, or a couple, maybe two. We'll see how far we get. Definitely more than just this one. So I'm just going to blend this out with the 101 brush from BK Beauty. And this is just a nice dewy foundation that is light on the skin but does give you some coverage. Before I try out the concealer, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skincare Priming Glow Mist. I have been using this forever too. 8-hour hydration, cactus water, rose water, vitamin C, all skin types. This is a great priming mist or setting spray. Obviously, we're using this one kind of as a setting spray over the foundation, but a primer for the concealer. But love the smell of this, love how my skin looks and feels after I use this. So if you're looking for a nice affordable primer or setting spray, this one from Covergirl is awesome. Now we're going to go in with a concealer. Like I said, I got it in the shade light medium. I like that it has a peachy undertone to it. Definitely something that will neutralize the cooler purple, blue, violet tones, grayish tones around the eyes. Yeah, I think definitely if you have a lot of coolness around your eyes, go in with something that is a warmer base to neutralize that. I wouldn't go in with a cooler tone concealer, or you could do neutral, but I don't think the cool tones, like I've used a couple concealers that were on the cooler side and it just made my skin look, I don't know, just flat. Like it just looked more of a grayish tone than something that was neutralizing or hiding, concealing what we didn't want. And we'll just blend that out. And it really dries down quickly. I don't find it as glowy as the Sephora one. Feels a lot more hydrating. But I do like the coverage on this one, and if you're looking for something maybe when it's the warmer summer months, this one might be nice just because it does dry down quicker. And I find that you can layer it. I did try it out once just to see. I found that it layered well. So you can build that up on top of each other. I do really like the tone, but I like the formula of the Sephora Best Skin Ever a little bit better. I find up in my lid it kind of looks a little drier. We'll do a quick little contour with my NYX contour wand. This is in the shade Medium Tan. Just add a little bit of contour and bronze. For a little bit more glow and bronze, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed bronzer. This is high pigmented bronzer in the shade Sunset Glitz. And I really like this one when I do want a little bit of extra warm bronze and like shimmery bronzer, just to add on top of the cheekbones. Pairs really nice with the dewiness from the foundation. All right, this is the finished look. I'm gonna do my eyes in the next video, so I'm gonna leave those for now. Yeah, I like the CoverGirl concealer, the Clean and Fresh Hydrating Concealer. I don't find it super hydrating, but like I said, I do like the shade. It blends out nicely. It's buildable. It dries down quickly, so you don't need any extra powder or anything like that. But I don't find it super hydrating. So definitely it's worth a try. It's a concealer that is worth a try to see if it pairs well with your skin type and if you like it. I would try it out. It's worth a try. I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I'll definitely keep using it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again very soon.